It's not the colorful lettering on the outside of this 2022 Ford Escape that makes this vehicle special. Rather, it's what's on the inside that counts. It's the world's first flex fuel plug-in hybrid vehicle. The plug-in Escape has been fitted with an aftermarket kit that allows it to run on flex fuels like 85% ethanol called E85.
The purpose is we're looking at a all-EV, full battery electric vehicle future, according to our government, and we're trying to demonstrate that if your goal is greenhouse gas and climate change reduction, then we have tools and technology that we could use today to get ahead of the curve. And in fact, in many cases, in many states, this is cleaner car than even a Tesla operating on electricity.
Robert White with the Renewable Fuels Association says the vehicle has undergone rigorous emissions testing at the University of California, Riverside's emissions lab. Nitrous oxide and particulate matter were reduced over 70% each. The RFA is doing a life cycle analysis comparing an EV to the flex fuel hybrid.
Well, what we're seeing is not only is the infrastructure, the technology, and everything's already here today, and we can start on those goals way decades ahead of what some of these aspirational goals are lining out. But on the other side of it, combining E85 with this hybrid technology, we're seeing barely any fuel economy penalty. So we're seeing a 2% fuel economy reduction, but we're also seeing a 27% reduction in price nationwide. So every time we pull up to an E85 pump, we're seeing 25% on fuel price.
Ag organizations across the country, including the Minnesota Corn Research and Promotion Council, are supporting the work RFA is doing with the concept car to prove that biofuels like ethanol have a place both now and in the future.
One of the biggest reasons why it's so important is because we're able to demonstrate ethanol's role in the future as we go further, and really be able to show policymakers and automakers that this is a viable option and ethanol does have a place.
But we also have the attention of the automakers because they know that a full battery electric vehicle slate is problematic and they need options, and this is one that not only meets those climate goals but is available today at a very reasonable price.
This is Dan Lemke reporting.